Fredericksburg. You've seen the town, and now we are going to show you some of the nature trails. Today we're going to go on Lady Bird Johnson Municipal Park. Let's go down that road. Hello, faithful people. It's a windy day. We're going to go on one of the easier trails today. Let's go. The first trail was a easy trail, and that was nice. Today we're going to tackle Cross Mountain. Cross Mountain is a moderate trail. It's uneven and kind of very rocky, but it's not that hard, and it doesn't take very long to get to the top. Back about the mid-1700s, the Spaniards came through here, some Spaniard priests, and they put a wood cross up on the top of the hill. Then about 100 years later, German immigrant John Durst discovered the wood cross, and then about 100 years after that, the Catholic Church here in Fredericksburg put up a steel one that's still here today, and it has lights on it so you can see it at night. So Cross Mountain, here we go. The parking lot's a pretty good size. If it's not a real busy day, you could bring an RV in here if you wanted to. I wouldn't recommend a really big RV, but I think you could probably fit one in here pretty easily. Okay, here's the gate to go in. Watch your step. So you can see it's kind of uneven here and rocky, but very doable. There's 2 trails. We've actually been here once before, and we saw this trail here, and it looks like it goes around the base of it. And today we're gonna go up on this one, and maybe that one too. We were here, there were some crosses on the ground here that people had made. Looks like most of them are gone, but there's one that's still here. See it? You know where it is? See it from the trail up above, upside down. And I thought, that just can't be done by nature. Somebody had to have done that. Here's another one. This one's a lot bigger. Two choices. The rocky rough or the steps. Which one do you want to do? Yeah. You're good with easy? Okay. Probably a little safer. Don't want to be breaking any ankles or anything. Part of the trail that goes down there. But maybe we'll go down that way. Lots of pasture land. And there's the cross. We've seen it at night with the lights on. This is on the top of a 120-foot hill above the city. And here's in memory of Christian Durst. Interesting, that's his middle name. Christian was his middle name. His first name was John, according to the reports we've seen. In memory of Christian Durst, found the original cross on this mountain, which he owned in 1847. That street down below is called Cross Mountain Road, I believe, and it has a pretty good view of the cross at night. As you can see, there aren't a lot of real high bluffs around here. It's mostly a little valley, and then the hills are way off in the distance. There's a bluff over there. You can see that. So we're back down to the middle part again. And we're gonna go, yeah, I couldn't videotape coming down this part because I tripped on a root and almost lost it. So I needed to stop filming for a minute just to recover. This would be a good one to do every day with all these steps. It's not that far. We're about 5 minutes away from this as the crow flies. Actually, yeah, as the truck drives. Go that way or this way. I guess if we want to get a longer walk, we'll go this way. Starting to feel your legs burn. Oh wow, this way. That's interesting. Keeps going. This one would be down here. It's like coming around the hill. Lower level. So you could easily spend, I don't know, half an hour, 45 minutes here, I guess. Yeah. If you went on all the trails. I think most people just go up to the top and that's it. Just keeps going. going and going and going. Go that way. I can go down that way. Duck. Oh my. Okay. I think that way? That probably just keeps going around the mountain.
Where do you want to go?
I think let's go this way. This is where that other trail was that we saw from way up above. The Fredericksburg high school students helped to maintain this. And it's owned by the
Gillespie
County Historical, I think. So, all right. We're almost back to the beginning of the trail. Back to the parking lot. So we're going to end this video. It got kind of long, sorry. But I hope you like those two trails, the Ladybird Municipal Park Trail and Cross Mountain. Be watching for other trails coming up. We're going to be going to Enchanted Rock State Park and a few other places that we've heard about. So stay tuned. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below. Next to it is a little bell. Ring that bell and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Check out our Facebook page, Roads of Faith. And until next time, God bless.